ladies, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So today I'm going to do two minimal looks for fall. So one of them is going to have a very minimal eye, very simple eye with a strong lip. And then this is the second look, which has a much stronger eye with a more muted lip. So both of them can be used for fall, and we're going to use rosy tones, which aren't always associated with fall, but we're going to use them in a fall way, which will make them very playful and fun. So the key here with minimal makeup is not that you have none or that you wear all browns, which makes us disappear, right? Sometimes older women, mature women, we put on browns and suddenly we are a part of the wallpaper, and we don't want that, right? We want to stand out. You've got something to say in this world. You are a creative, fabulous human being. It is time to stand out. So this is a minimal look with color, so it doesn't look like it's nothing, but it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do this using a very tight shot on the eye to teach you exactly how to use it. Before we get started, visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell in order to be alerted every time I upload a video. Let's get going. Okay, so we are going to whip through the beginning stages so we can really focus on the two separate looks that we're going to do, but they're very quick to switch from one to the other, just so you work from home people don't feel like, oh my God, like it's just so much effort to do all this. It really isn't, and I'm going to make it very, very simple. But I'm going to fast forward all of this, but I will put what product I'm using at the bottom. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so that's the basics that go with both looks. So now I'm going to do the lip for the first one. So we're going to do a very, very simple eye, and we're going to do a stronger lip. So it's very minimal, but it has color. I think that's the trick here. So I'm going to use a color called Joanna from Jane Iredale. Almost everything I'm using today is Jane Iredale. And that's going to be our pop color in this look with a little spice lip liner. All right, now I'm going to go tight to show you how I do a very simple eye. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to run it right between my lashes. So right between my lashes, and then I'm going to put it in my waterline. Then I'm going to take a slanted brush and just lightly touch it, just to soften it down. Then I'm going to take the pink color in the palette just put it on that outer edge. Just so your eye isn't flat. And that's it. That's a minimal eye. Isn't that cool? Okay, so this is look number one, minimal look number one. As you can see, very soft eye with a stronger lip. It took me really like 10 minutes maximum to do this whole thing. Whoa. All right, now we're going to switch, and I'm going to switch out the lips, and we're going to make the eyes more the focal point. So for this look, I'm going to use a color called Stephanie by Jane Iredale, and this is a very nice neutral pink color, and you can wear this in the fall. You can wear this in the fall as well. Pink is not only for the spring. And I'm going to use the Spice lip liner as well to pull in the lipstick a little bit more on the whole look. Put a little on your fingers. Tap it on your cheeks and on your brow bone. Just adds a tiny bit just to make it all just blend. Okay, so let's go tight on the eye and see how we can pop the eye. Okay, so to pop the eye, I'm going to take the gray in the Naturally Matte palette with this brush. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it all over the lid. So one shade. You just work with it. Use circular motions if you need to. Very easy. This works on if you have gray hair, brown hair, blonde hair. This is a great shade for that. Then we're going to take the dark brown liner in the palette. And we're going to add that eyeshadow all the way across. If you want, you can wing it a little bit. Pull it down a bit. I'm going to blend this a bit more because I don't want lines. If you'd like a little bit of pop, take the iridescent color in the palette, tap it right on your eyelid. Okay, so this is the final look for the stronger eye and the more neutral lip. As you can see, I still have color, but it's minimal. In other words, not a ton of makeup, but it really stands out and has pop. And for those of you who work from home, when you're on your Zoom, it's important to have color. If you completely go with all just, brown or something, you're just gonna fade. We don't wanna fade, we wanna stand out. I hope this video has been helpful looking at the two different looks and how to apply minimal makeup for fall. Have a great day.